super hard right now.
You don't have to have thunder and lightning to get rain.
Oh my god.
And you don't need to have rain, have thunder, and lightning. It can happen together alive.
It can just happen. That's a dead tree. But yeah, it's raining super duper hard. It's raining even more now.
You made the sky heat so much.
It stopped, and now it's raining even more hard. Oh my god, now it's even more hard. Oh my god, yo. Oh my god.
Hi, I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat my noon time.
If you can't eat it today, you can always eat it tomorrow.
It's only 4. Oh my god, it's raining so hard.
Yeah, that's one on vacation. So you might take an extension.
When there's no school, the sugar cutoff is at 5 instead of 4.
So maybe after we eat here and get back home, we can have dinner. Right, Moonshine?
I'm not called
You are, Mommy,
I'm a long
Oh, 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 oh.
You do that.
Hey, it's raining super hard. And I can barely see. There's no splash. Where's the splash?
But I could barely even hear myself.
Oh, who farted?